Happy New Year, guys. I know last year is a tough time for everyone, but I invested my time to learn VueJs, Flutter, and Kubernetes. So, in this year, I'm planning to do some series of videos on what I learned on VueJs, Kubernetes, and Flutter. So, let's start with the VueJs. VueJs is a front-end framework to help developing web applications very efficiently, and it's easy to configure everything. And the learning curve is a little bit less compared to React or other frameworks. So let's start installing VueJS and set up Vue development environment. There are three primary ways of installing VueJS to a project. First one is importing as a CDN. This is simple method, but it will not work on offline development. Second one is using npm. You need to install using npm as an npm package, but remaining thing you need to configure. But third and efficient method is using official VueJs CLI. It is the best way of installing and configuring VueJS project development environment. Benefit is scaffold a project automatically, which provides building steps for a modern front-end framework like hot reload, linting, etc. etc. So let's start with the Vue CLI. First install Vue CLI globally using npm. So let's start. npm install -g at vue/cli. It is the official VueJS CLI. Just wait for a few minutes. Yeah, now it's ready. So let's create our first VueJS project. For that, you can also try UI, but I'm going through the command line itself. So let's open it with, so let's create Vue, create Vue hello is a project. Vue hello is a project name. Yeah, it will ask few things. I'm going to Vue 3 latest version with Babel and ESLint. So I selected that one as a default. So CLI, it will create the required project structure and package and everything. Let's wait for a few minutes. It will automatically set up all the required development environment. Yeah, now it's ready. Successfully created project Vue hello. Then go to the folder Vue hello. Now we can open it with the VS Code. I'm using VS Code as a IDE here. Code. This is the scaffold structure of the Vue project. So here package contain all the required metadata and dependencies for the VueJS project. So some Babel configurations here, git ignore. So this is the basic installation of VueJS. Let's try to run this here. npm run serve. Okay. it will build the default VueJs application. Yeah, this is the default VueJs application what we scaffold. So the folder structure is node modules. It's pre-installed using the CLI. Then a public folder. Public folder contains the root file index.html. This is the app ID. This is the root tag. Root ID. So no need to worry about the public folder right now. This is src. In src folder contains the VueJs files. Here only we are going to change the file and add required VueJs files here. Okay, thanks.